My 2020 calendar is my fan. It's really hot. Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. We have jackhammering outside. I have my baby on the ground. It's 100 million degrees because it's Australia and it is spring summer already here as it is winter up north. You know the drill. But we are back in the studio. I have had a vlog that has gone up since now. This is my new summer dress. I am dress obsessed, so you're gonna get lots of dress Jerusha vibes now this summer, so which I'm really excited about. I'm getting into dresses. So not me, so not my story, but I'm doing it. I am committing and I like the feeling of it. Today we have an unboxing from Louisvuitton. Came all the way from Louisvuitton, Paris. From Paris, France. I used my personal shopper, Irene. Hi Irene. The Front Row Paris, formerly known as Paris Bazaar. It's straight from Paris. Here is my proof of purchase. Right here in the envelope. All wrapped up perfectly from the boutique. There we go. Let's open it together. This, and I wanted to unbox right away because it just landed on my doorstep then, and I wanted to unbox it to show you. Here is the dust bag. Ooh, it's kind of peeking out. Okay, I just turned the lights down. Can you guys guess? Here it is in the dust bag. Oh my god. It's so cute. Stop. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is the Louisvuitton Nano Speedy. It is sold out around Australia. I had to call on my personal shopper in Paris, the Front Row Paris. That is what is so great about personal shoppers. They can source and find and ship it out to you. They have a fee, but obviously they're doing you a service. So this is the Nano Speedy, and I blame this entirely on heart. Oh my gosh. I had obviously seen it swirling around the luxury community, and I was just like, yeah, that is so cute. I totally would get it as like a nano bag. I love it. I love the vibe. And then I saw Heart's What's in My Bag, which I'll link below. Hi Heart. She's so gorgeous, and she did this really cute little What's in My Bag, just pulling heaps of stuff out of it, you know, suggesting it's a black hole, which apparently it really is. But here you go, this is how it came. So the strap is inside. There is the zipper there with the LV on either side of it. It's a non-removable, it's a non-detachable strap. You just have the D-rings on either side. Sorry about the blowout. You have the D-rings on either side with no clasp, so that's it. It's not adjustable and it's not removable. So that's okay, that's cute. It'll probably sit really high on me because I'm taller. So it's got the made in stamp. That's so cute. It's got the made in stamp up here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. And then it is just your Speedy. So look, inside is just one compartment. Oh really? You go on a kick now, girl? So the little textile card was down inside. Coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. That is it. Do you have a D-ring? No. No D-ring, just the 4 grommets inside. Can we get a shot? Just the 4 grommets inside and the little vachette tab with the made in, which I like that. That's really quite nice. So obviously there is the Louis Vuitton mini, like the mini HL, which was like the itty bitty one that they did as just a Speedy. And then obviously this is clearly that, like a reinterpretation with a strap, new from the boutique. Could you get the mini HL and put a detachable strap? Absolutely. Then therefore your strap would be detachable. This is not detachable. I think the mini HL is so cute as well. Did I really need this? No. Did I want to get in the nano trend? Absolutely. I wanted to get in on it. Any kind of, actually, I lie. I as an influencer, but I am so influenced. When I saw Heart showing this, you know what I felt like? I felt like this was old school video from Heart, and the feeling of this bag just felt, to get it was like an old school purchase for me to do. Kind of like, you know, I don't know, I feel like BJ Taylor 02, hi BJ, she would get this and be like, yes, like it's just, it feels old school YouTube days. Excuse me. Also, even though I watched your video, Holly Anne-Marie, I still think you would love this bag because this is so you. She goes to a lot of games and things like that in stadiums, and she would love this bag. Even though she has the HL, but still, so cute. I'm gonna put some things in it and stand up and do some mod shots just to give you an idea of what is the GO. This, again, Miss Holly Anne-Marie, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should go follow me on Instagram. I'm very active usually on Instagram stories, a lot, my home life. It's kind of like vlogs on Instagram stories. I said that this is my new obsession as just like a grab and go inside my Neverfull because it holds everything, like everything. There is my iPhone, and it's just the Voyager PM case or pouch, and currently I just pulled that out of my Neverfull GM and it's got everything. So let's go. Sunny's card case from Chanel, earbuds, my iPhone 8 Plus, key holder in the Mahina, excuse me, my car key, and then just a bunch of receipts and cash, and then coins are floating around on the bottom, a pen, look at that, tons of coins floating around on the bottom, and that's it, empty. Geez, this thing has been amazing. Here is my Dior lip balm, yeah, the lip balm in the 001, so gorgeous, totally recommend this actually. And then I have my toiletry 15 to just show as well. But let's just get, that was all in my pouch in my little PM Voyager, like not even a handbag. So let's get this back into the Speedy. Okay, so card case in, and these are standing up, key holder I should say, by Louis Vuitton, my car key there, my iPhone 8 Plus, I think that's probably the same size as all pluses. I don't think there's a, is S Max bigger? No, I don't think so. Okay, so you got to kind of move that around a bit. My keys are in the way, hang on. You got to move that around a bit, definitely angling that to get the plus in, but it fits, it's in. Earbuds, this is where you just start dropping stuff in. The Dior lip balm, dropping stuff in. But this is the other thing as well. And my girl Amy, hi Amy, Fashionably Amy, said once in one of her mini bag reviews, is that it's so cool to be able to play Tetris with mini bags. However, you've got to remember, at the other end, you've got to find what you're looking for and un-Tetris the Tetris, which was such a great comment because it's so true. It's like, oh my God, yes, it fits all this stuff, but you've got to work out how on a daily basis you're going to get it all out in a hurry or in a situation. So these are my Gucci's, just my GG Gucci's, and they're in there too. Wow. Okay, so this is it next to the toiletry 15. Put them side by side. That's a pretty good comparison. But that is everything I had just in that pouch, which is all of my necessities. Like this would not fit in a Chanel mini flap, no way. This would not fit in a Chanel double flap, classic double flap, no way. No way in heck. Okay, so if I took my sunnies out, and I did want to take my vlogging camera, which is Canon G7X, that fits as well, wow. Oh my God, little black hole. Okay, let's put some shades on, a bit of a vibe, and let's do some mod shots. Okay, here's my H&M dress. If you watched that vlog, thank you so much. Here is my H&M dress, so gorge. Go, it is in H&M right now in Australia, if you like it. So this is handheld, obviously, a nano bag. Don't call me out for being a bigger girl, I know it's tiny. So handheld, so cute, obviously can't really go on the crook of your arm. You could shove it on your wrist. That's always cute, I think, to be able to shove it on your wrist. Like that, yeah. Cute. Not crossbodies. Oh, sits really nicely actually. Not sliding off the shoulder, not even feeling like it's gonna slide off the shoulder, which is really nice. Boom. Oh, that's a good hit. That's longer than the boy hit, and I usually say like the boy, where the boy hits is like my, that's my highest. The boy hits like this, like this. I usually say that's kind of my highest because like I would never crossbody a double flat by Chanel, like no way, that would be like here on me, like I'm Amazon. So yay, oh my god, so cute. I knew this would be so cute with this outfit as well. That's why I wanted to unbox it so I can use it. Ha! Do you love it? Do you love it? Oh my god, try and get your hands on this bag. I wanted to tell you the price. Have I got a gift receipt here? Oh, maybe I got a gift receipt. False, sorry. This bag plus fees and shipping for me, like I paid plus fees and shipping, but this retailed for, like what I paid, I can't tell you converted right now, but what I paid was 750 euros, I think. Yeah, 750 euros retail is what this is retailing for, and then obviously plus fees and shipping from a personal shopper. It's just, as if you've watched me before, I say it's just the deal. You just don't even think about it. Same with like import tax. They're doing a service, that is their business, so you got to go into that knowing that. But that is what I paid. Here in Australia I think it's 14, so that all ended up similar to Australian, so I think it's like 14.70 or something, even though you can't get it right now, but I'm sure it'll come back around. I'm sure you can order it, and I'm sure there's like a wait list or something for it as well in boutique. But how cute is that? And then last off, I just wanted to compare it to this, even though, look, this looks black compared to this, but look at it. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to compare the 25, which a lot of people say is very small, to this Nano. Oh my god, are you serious? That's crazy. That is my unboxing today. I will put Front Row Paris below. Check out their Instagram, so amazing. I'm raving about personal shoppers. A lot of people, you know, scrutinize them or say, you know, they get items and public don't get items. But look, it is the business. That is what they do. They work hard on their relationships. They work hard on how they get their items and work on their stock and things like that. And they have really great rapport. I like them as friends as well. Like sometimes I just want to chat and be like, you know, like what's going on? Like what do you think's good right now to invest in or buy or whatever? Especially in Hermes. Definitely in Hermes. Anyway, that is my unboxing for today. I've had a vlog go up as well. I am back. The wheels, the cogs are turning. So many of you reach out to me on Instagram and on DMs just saying like, oh my god, have you quit altogether or are you just not going to do Vlogtober? No, I have not quit, obviously. I've taken, you know, 17 days off since I finished and Vlogtober, and it's been good, but that's because my husband's restaurant opened and I remodeled it for him and he built it. So if you follow my vlogs, you know that. I'm gonna have to go now, but that is my unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, there is a button below. If you enjoyed this and you like my new little addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this bag in the comments below, or any other Vuitton bags you're lusting over, because obviously the new collection's just released and everyone's kind of going crazy about different pieces and whatever, and the Christmas edition. You let me know in the comments below. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. See you in my next video. Take care. Peace.